a giant king megapod from the Gulf of Mexico. Salvaged ashore. Sent to the Bird and Meat Prefecture, Japan. The fish aquarium is named No. 1. The first year after entering the museum, all conditions on the first are completely normal. You can eat, you can drink, you can sleep. Available on January 2, 2009. Keepers follow convention. Put a whole pig turtle into the show. But no, one only ate half of it and stopped eating. And from then on he refused to eat completely. No matter what food the breeder feeds, he completely ignored it in order to make no one eating. The team of keepers tried various methods, from changing food to adjusting water temperature, even pushing the food in front of his breath. He also turned away. During the hunger strike, No. 1 also made one, the famous scene that broke all the keepers' defenses. He'll pretend he's eating. Put food in your mouth. Spit out the food in its entirety afterwards. Some speculate that this is number 1, comforting his keeper. Avoid staff worries, and this detail also made him rapidly popular in Japan. Until Valentine's Day, February 14, 2014, staff confirmed that No. 1 was completely dead, just before his last meal on January 2, 2009. It's been exactly 5 years and for 13 days. In the history of human observation, animals in captivity most often go on hunger strike. World record. After the death of number 1, Birdfish Aquarium, Joint Japan Institute of Deep Sea Biology. A complete autopsy was performed on him. The event determined 3 things. No inflammation of the digestive tract, no lesions, no atrophy, absence of all the characteristics of chronically hungry individuals. The nutritional status of the body is completely normal. By no means die of malnutrition. Third, no trauma to the body, no infection. The internal organs are structurally intact. No pathogens were detected. Finally come to a conclusion. The cause of death of No. 1 cannot be determined. It is also impossible to determine the underlying motive for his hunger strike. This is for the King Mega, painted with a mysterious color. Today, let's talk about this terrifying appearance with you all. In fact, the heart, the gentle undersea behemoth 1879, French zoologist Edwards, deep sea in the Gulf of Mexico. The existence of the giant king megapod was discovered for the first time. This was the first giant discovered by humans, deep sea animals. He looks just like us, watermelon bugs you usually see. The enlarged version actually has very little to do with the two. He's a giant Isopods specialized in the deep sea, living environment with watermelon insects. The body structure is completely different. The adult individuals in the Dawang crew are approximately 20 to 40 centimeters. The largest record was 76 centimeters. It weighs about 0.5 to 1 kilograms. It is the largest species among The most remarkable thing about king fungi is their costume. The whole body of the nail structure is covered with hard and heavy. The calcareous exoskeleton consists of 14 individual bone plates, dark brown or black completely. Extremely pressure resistant, rough surface, full of granular bumps. It can perfectly withstand deep sea high pressure and the predator attacked his head small and flat, fully integrated with the chest, no neck, covered by a huge carapace. Only the breath and tentacles are exposed. The tail is fan-shaped. Consists of tail fat and tail joint, mainly used for swimming, steering and defense. This is also typical of deep sea and other species. The giant king megapod has a pair of large, protruding secondary eyes. There are no lenses on either side of the head. It's made up of thousands of photoreceptor cells, extremely sensitive to faint light, can sense prey in the dark environment of the deep sea. It can be said that it is completely adapted to the dark environment of the deep sea. His breath is chewing. From great evil to lesser evil. Evil race composition. Evil is extremely sharp. It can easily crush the skeletal carapace of deep sea animals. Is the heart of his prey. The giant king beetle mainly lives at 360 meters to the 730-meter continental slope abyssal plain. The water pressure here has reached 100 to 200 standard atmospheres. Basically, it's like a fingernail to withstand 100 to 200 kilograms of pressure. The water temperature is maintained at 1 to 4 degrees Celsius all year round. There was no sunlight, and it's a very low oxygen environment. Food sources mainly come from biological carcasses in the upper ocean, or poop or something. This results in extremely erratic food intake, often months or even years away. The food situation in this environment The giant king has evolved a gluttony and hunger tolerance. When encountering food, will eat like crazy. Once you can eat food equivalent to 20% of your body weight. When there is no food, can break down its own muscle tissue function. 30% decrease in muscle mass. You can go 5 years without eating. Is on Earth one of the most hunger-tolerant animals. The giant king megapod moves extremely slowly. They're sitting still most of the time. Only when food is perceived. Will slowly move towards the food staff. It quickly curls up into a ball when in danger. Wraps the body completely in a hard carapace, like an iron ball. Make it impossible for natural enemies to speak, but you know it's such a Buddhist guy. How long will he live? Can live between 50 and 100 years. It has one of the longest lifespans of amputees. Although the king megapod looks scary, but he only preys on small, injured animals. Will not attack humans or large healthy marine life. Not only is it completely harmless to humans, it is also the core species of deep-sea scavenger ecology. It's resistant to hunger, adaptive mechanisms for stress resistance and hypoxia. It's also deep-sea biology, aerospace biology. The study of life in extreme environments provides a core model. Its rigid exoskeleton is also a deep-sea submersible. The development of compression-resistant materials provides a bionic approach. This is an armored gentle behemoth from the deep sea. Using life code, open the door to extreme environmental research.